Making gnocchi at home is so satisfying and simple. You start with a cooked russet potato, peel it, flour your surface area, grab yourself a ricer, put little chunks of the potato into it and press really hard until you have potato rice. So once you have that, then you want to grab your gluten-free flour and add in just a little bit first, like a couple of tablespoons, and work that into the potato to sort of get your mixture going. And it's just nice to touch food with your hands. Add in a little bit more to get a crumbly mixture. And then at this point, we are going to add in some salt. And today I am using Omnivore Salt, made by my good friend Angelo. Okay, so add in your salt, and then we are going to keep on gathering the ingredients together to make a dough. The next thing we're adding in is 1 whisked egg. And don't worry if you make a little bit of a mess, it's all okay. Just get the ingredients together and get back in there with your hands to shape everything into place. So at this point, we want to add in a little bit more flour, and you just want to keep on gathering the dough together. Using a bench scraper is very helpful here. And keep on working until you have a dough that's cohesive. It should feel moist, but not sticky. So as you can see, I'm having a great time just making my gnocchi dough. And be patient. Do everything by feel. We are relying on the natural moisture from the potato and the egg, and we don't want to add in water if we can help it. So that's why it's worth it to be patient and add in the gluten-free flour mix a little bit at a time, rather than dumping it all in. Okay, so now you see we have a nice dough that sticks together, but it doesn't stick to my fingers. And we're going to add in a little bit more flour onto the work surface. We are making a disc that's about 5 inches in diameter, and then cutting it into 4 equal portions. Now take each portion and roll it into a log. This part of it is fun, and just kind of pinch and roll as you go along. And don't worry if it sort of falls apart. It's okay, it'll come back together. And the log is now about 9 to 10 inches. You don't have to be very exact. Okay, and now we're going to cut it into approximately 1-inch pieces across. So you see how fast that was? Repeat the same with the other logs. And you can use a fork, just like I'm doing, to make a little simple design on each gnocchi. Here we are. Now bring a pot of water to a rapid boil with some salt and dunk in your gnocchi. Wait until they float back to the top. Continue to simmer for about a minute, and then mix it in with pesto or your favorite spaghetti sauce. And in this case, I am garnishing it with some dry calendula flowers and rosemary blossoms. So there we are.